Dementia, Alzheimer's. I think there's a few myths that we need to talk about there about Alzheimer's and dementia.
Well, we know Alzheimer's now is something called type 3 diabetes. It's insulin resistance in the brain.
Okay.
See, the big myth, the big lie about Alzheimer's is that people are losing their memory. That's not actually true. They're losing access to their memory. There's a difference between your memory in the early stages actually fading and your access to the memory fading. So access can be restored. In 22 years mortality research, I did not see a single centenarian that did not have elevated levels of LDL cholesterol. I also did not see a single early onset Alzheimer's patient that had not had 10 years of elevated blood sugar prior to. Wow. Sugar is the root of all evil.
I used to be pre-diabetic. When I was getting fed Lucky Charms and Cinnamon Toast Crunch with whole milk, I was eating that for 12 years. I was pre-diabetic, had hypoglycemia. I was going down the wrong path, but then it all changed when I learned that I could just eat eggs and I could actually eat bacon without getting a heart attack and dying.
Yeah, when I get back, I'll have 3 eggs, half an avocado, a little small fistful of berries, and then sometimes I'll either take some arugula and olive oil. I eat a lot of grass-fed beef. I eat a lot of line-caught salmon. I eat a lot of free-range pasture-raised eggs. I mean, these things are great for you.
Yeah. Okay, why does the medical system teach us that red meat is bad and that butter is bad? These things are essential for our health.
Think about what you get from beef. I mean, the contents of beef are just that, beef. And just because something's not meat does not mean it's good for you. Essential fatty acids, the essential amino acids, that's where you always have to start. So eggs, the whole egg, the cholesterol, the center of the egg, everything. We only get 15% of the cholesterol in our diet from food. 85% of the cholesterol in your bloodstream is made by the liver. If we want to actually lower our cholesterol, then we have to lower what goes in the front door of the liver. Put healthy fats and healthy proteins in constantly.
And why is it that the food pyramid seems to be completely backwards? Is that going to change?
Well, if you think about it, I mean, the 2 largest tobacco companies own the 4 largest food manufacturers. We're eating a lot of dyes, pesticides, herbicides, insecticides, huge amounts of refined sugars, grains. I don't eat any grains at all.